Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a return of a monthly subscription box. This is Latest in Beauty, and this is their July subscription box, the Conscious Beauty Edit. Comes in a really large box. If you're new to Latest in Beauty subscription, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I got in the July box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Latest in Beauty is a UK only monthly beauty subscription box with a little bit of a difference. You get to choose the products that go inside. You get to choose 6 products a month from a huge edit that is released at the start of the month, so you get to see the products that are going to be released, but the products are released daily, so not everything is released all at once. When you sign up, you pay straight away for your box. You've got a whole month to choose your products. The cost of the box is £12.95 and then £3.95 shipping on top. When you become a subscriber for 3 months or more, you become a VIP and they drop the postage, so you just pay £12.95 a month. VIP status also brings with it a automatic 15% discount off any of their collection boxes. They bring out these collection boxes, which are limited edition, one-off beauty boxes, roughly every month, and inside are jam-packed full of products. There's a couple on their website at the moment, so I'll pop links to them down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription and any codes I can find as well. There's usually some codes lying around for your first box to have free shipping or free products or something like that, so whatever I can find, I'll pop that down below. But I do have a refer a friend code that if I can't find anything better, then you're welcome to use that if you want to. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So this box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. Latest in Beauty kindly send me a code which I'm free to use every month if I want to. Sometimes I don't because I just never get around to choosing the products, but I decided I wanted to this month, so they kindly send me a code and then I'm able to choose the products that I want for myself. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please ask away in the comments, but let's get on to showing you what I chose. It's really heavy. It is really heavy. Right, I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. You're not going to see much. It's all hidden in worms and things there. There's no card that comes with the box, but if you wanted extra information about the products, they do have it on their website. And when you see the list of products that you can choose to go in your box, if you actually click on the picture, it brings up a little pop-up on your computer or phone or whatever you're viewing it on, just to give you some extra information, and especially the sizes as well. Okay, so the first item I chose was for my nails, and this is NAF Stuff. This is a cuticle oil pen in lavender. This is a full-size product and I cannot wait to use this. I had a cuticle oil pen in a different subscription box a couple of months ago and it's finished, but it's so handy to use. I think it might be the same brand actually. It looks exactly the same, but not a lavender. I didn't have a lavender one. As you might be able to tell, I have my nails done. I have gels done in a salon, but my cuticles are horrific. I have to keep oiling them. I'm sure it's the same one I had before. So you just twist it up like that, and then you just... Ooh. See? Oh my word, this is so awkward doing it backwards. And it smells of lavender. It does smell of lavender. The last one I had didn't have a scent. Oh, that is so nice, and I tend to do this before I go to bed, so it's a bonus that it actually smells of lavender, because lavender calms, it helps you drift off to sleep, although it doesn't really with me. It's lovely. I am so chuffed that I got another one. NAF Stuff cuticle oil pen. Then I got a duo. I got a shampoo and conditioner, really good sizes. What are we? We are... We've got a 350ml shampoo and 300ml of conditioner. They are by the brand Maria Nyla, and these are the Ecotherapy Revive Shampoo, Micellar Detox Shampoo and Hydrating Conditioner. Maria Nyla do amazing, amazing hair products. I actually love the colour baths, the colour refreshers. They do a gorgeous copper one. If you have copper hair dye, I home dye my hair, but it fades. Any sort of reds, coppers, they fade quite quickly. But yeah, Maria Nyla does an amazing copper one. When I saw that there was Maria Nyla products on the website, I had to get them. I had to get them. 100% vegan and certified organic conditioner is uniquely formulated to hydrate and nourish your hair and scalp while protecting the colour of your hair. It says, by choosing this particular bottle made out of 100% ocean waste plastic, you have supported the work to clean up Wales oceans. And yeah, it's sulfate and silicone free, colour guard complex. Excited about this, really excited about this. So to go with these two, I chose a mask. This is Ecotherapy Revive Hair Mask, Hydrating Mask, and there's 250 mils here. Sometimes some of the products go pretty quickly. They're not guaranteed to be there all throughout the month, unfortunately. So if you are interested in this box for yourself for July, there might be a chance that some of the products that you've seen in my unboxing might not be on the website. But a positive twist is that all the products that are featured, say, in the July edit, a lot of them get switched over to the August edit as well as the new products for August. We still have products from July there. Say, for instance, they had a load of Maria Nyla products. Not many people went for them. You'll see them in the August edit as well, so you can choose them then. I hope I'm making sense. I feel like I'm just going on and on and on and on. I'll stop talking. A gentle treatment for all hair types that softens and hydrates the hair and scalp. Botanical proteins help to reduce frizz and dryness with Colour Guard Complex. And then it goes on to telling you how to use it. So yeah, so we've got a hair mask. Next, what have I chosen here? I can't remember now. What is it? It's a shower oil. This is by Natura Ecos, and this is Maracuja shower oil, triple phase shower oil. We got 200 mils there. Look at that. Can you see it's separated at the bottom there? Okay. Oh, it's pretty when you look at it up at the light, the ring light. I can read it. It says, enhances skin natural glow, leaves skin feeling soft. Enjoy the Maracuja triple phase shower gel. Rich in essential fatty acids with an ultra-light texture that protects and delicately perfumes skin. Shake, apply to the skin, and then rinse. Wow. What's it smell like? Oh, it looks like a latte now. Look. It's odd, isn't it? Okay. Oh, the smell. Woo, I only want a little bit. I only want a little bit. There. Oh my word, the smell is gorgeous. Do you know what? It brings back memories of Avon. When I grew up in my little village where my family still live now. We didn't have any shops. There was a little corner shop, but yeah, it just sold a bit of food. that was it. The nearest shop to buy any beauty products or anything like that, we had to catch a bus that came to the village once a week to go 5 miles. Basically, I grew up on Avon. I was obsessed with Avon. What is the Avon iconic sort of body oil spray lotion? And it gets rid of mosquitoes as well. Mosquitoes hate it. It reminds me of that, or something else from Avon. I don't know what it is, but that's what it reminds me of. Oh, that is lovely. That is so, so nice. I really like that. Yeah. Okay, it's got shower oil. And then lastly, I chose... What have I chosen? Oh yeah, I've chosen Pop Fresh 7 individually wrapped antibacterial hand wipes. Good, clean, fun, 100% vegan, natural scent, cruelty free, 100% biodegradable, recyclable packaging, natural scent. Grab and go orange burst. It's the orange. The orange is what pulls me in as I'm obsessed with citrusy smells. But the fact that it's biodegradable, I like that. Oh, how gorgeous is that? Are these like the little pads that you get if you go to like a Chinese restaurant, you know? You get like a cloth and it smells like lemon, or I don't know. Or shall I just open one up? The 7. Pop Fresh wipes are infused with natural uplifting essential oils to freshen your hands and make you smile. Aloe vera and vitamin E are kind to your hands, keeping them nourished and protected, while the natural antibacterial properties are tough on germs. Okay, let's open one of these up. Oh, it smells so nice. It smells gorgeous. Oh, it's nice and cool as well. How is it cool? It's just been in my box. It's not strong. It smells gorgeous, but it's not strong. Okay, let's freshen up my hands. It feels so nice. Oh, it feels so nice and refreshing. Yeah, it hasn't got a strong smell. I was hoping for a stronger orange scent, but probably that would put a lot of people off. But it is nice and fresh. Definitely one for the handbag. You never know when you need to wipe your hands. No, I'm really chuffed. So those are the 6 items I chose in this month's Latest in Beauty subscription box. I'll just go through them all, doing a bit of a recap. So I've got enough stuff, a lavender cuticle oil pen, a Maria Nyla Revive conditioner, Maria Nyla Revive shampoo, Maria Nyla Revive hair mask, Natura Ecos or Ecos, a shower oil, and lastly, Pop Fresh biodegradable wipes. I definitely think it's worth the £12.95, 100%. Got lots of full-size items in this box. I am really happy. I love Maria Nyla. Cannot wait to try the shampoo and conditioner. Chuffed that I've got the cuticle oil pen, just like the one I had a couple of months ago. Yeah, just really nice shower oil, the wipes. Yeah, really lovely products, even though I chose them myself. I knew what I was getting, but yeah, no, I'm really chuffed with it. But I'd love to hear what you think of Latest in Beauty. What do you think of this month's edit? Have you ordered similar products to me if you are a subscriber, or are you wondering if this is a subscription for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.